guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO ARTE magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneurs. In today's video guys, we're gonna be talking about the ZAZZLE, and I'm gonna hop up onto my laptop at the back and we're gonna show you some kind of the trending designs and trending designers onto the ZAZZLE, and how we can take an idea and inspiration from these designs and designers and how we can make our products print-on-demand products onto the ZAZZLE to make it more searchable in the search engine and to get the more sales from our ZAZZLE store. So before going to the good part, consider clicking the like button guys. I really appreciate that. Also guys, I have the bunch of the free stuffs, and recently we have launched our own platform, that is the globocreative.com, which contains so many free resources like patterns, textures, graphics, KDP interior, which you can download it completely for free and which contain the full commercial license, so you can use it for making money online. We will going to be adding more graphics and textures and patterns to this website, so make sure you check it out by yourself. I'm gonna leave the link of it in the description box below for you guys to check it out. Now let's talk about the main part guys. So I'm gonna hop onto my laptop and yeah, the ZAZZLE, and you can see this is the homepage of ZAZZLE. There are so many options over here. You can either sign in, you can shop now, or you can look out for the trending designs, the my stuffs, the live, the explore, the create. So I'm gonna hover over to this trending stuff, which is the most important for this particular video. So there are just a few different options, that is the birthday cards, the business cards, the bridal shower invites, the wedding invitation. So these are the products that are trending. So let me just hover over to the birthday cards and we'll see what kind of birthday cards we can go and we can make it. So you can see guys, all these cards have been made especially in the option as a create new product option. They haven't been made in the quick create option because they have been customized specially for the cards, so people have just made it for the cards. So this one is a funny, the Disney, the giant card, the photo, the animals, and for her, for him, for kids, for sarcastic, some other sarcastic one. So if you are confused about which kind of niche you want to target on ZAZZLE, what kind of products you want to look for, and if you're a complete newbie, then I want to tell you guys, it's better in the very beginning is to go for the trends, and then initially you going by the trends, you can get the few sales, and then you can build up your kind of like a store and make more products according to your niche and industry. So you can take an idea that like in the birthday card, if you're looking for, you can go with the funny cards, with the Disney cards, with the giant cards, photo, animals, or even for the sarcastic, or even if you can cater your cards for a particular type of recipient, for a particular type of ideal customer, like for her, for him, or for the kids, or for the men, women, or father, mother, whatever it is. Because in the ZAZZLE, like no other print-on-demand website have this facility to select the occasion and to select your ideal customer when you are uploading your design. So make sure when you are making a product, you keep that thing in mind, it is for whom and it is for what occasion, so that when you know that this product is particularly for girls and it is for a Valentine, then you know that the people will going to look out for your design when they are searching for a gift for a girl on the Valentine. So that is the way to look for and to target the right design for a right person. So this one you can see guys, the custom photo birthday card. So this is a photo card and people will going to click on that, they're gonna add their own photographs. Now this one is the simple quotes, that the text-based design. So if you're a complete newbie to the designing and all, so you can very well go with the text-based, because text-based are easy to make in the very beginning. Like it's just a simple fonts guys, they have just used a simple one font on a black background, that's all. This one is another photo card. This was the older you get card, the older you get cards. So that means it's catering to the older people. Now I think it's related to the females. They have made the spatial illustration like kind of like an old lady, so you can also do that. Now scroll down, I have just scrolled down too much. So wait a minute guys. Okay, so this is the another one that I talk about, is the cheesiest funny birthday card. So they have made the different products or different kind of pictures, illustrations related to the cheese. And I think that this would be made for the kids or maybe for the cheese lovers, whoever it is. Now this one is a bouquet birthday card. You can see they have placed the different flowers and make that. This one is the by kids have 4 legs. It's a funny one, especially to the dog. Now this one is hippo birthday
birthday card. Okay, so this one is a cute card. I think it would be for maybe for the girls or for the kids. So this is the way, guys, you can take an inspiration and you can look out for the first page on this particular product and take what type of design or idea you can target and you can hop on. This one is a happy birthday. That's a simple card, guys. You can get this kind of background onto different pictures, and even onto the free websites you can take the images from them. I mean, you can edit them. Like, I've already made a video talking about how to use pixabay images and in a safer way to not to get the copyright strike and not to violate any rules and get your things done. So you can check that video out, guys. But you can do it the same way. This is a photo card. This one is amazing. Like, it's like a funny cat wearing glasses birthday card. So you can see, guys, how there are the different types of cards are there onto the Zazzle, and if they are simple, like starting from the text page. This one is also text page. This one also text page. These are quite simple to make, guys. This one is just a flower illustration. This one is a simple text page. So you can make a small funny cards, the sarcastic cards, the animal cards, the flower cards. There is so much that you can do and you can play around with the idea. This one is again, guys, it's a simple text based, but I think that you can also do that. You can pick up a simple code and can make a design around it. So there are so many design ideas related especially to the card. And now I'm just gonna go over to the second product, which is business cards, bridal shower invites. I think I'm gonna go with the wedding invitations, because invitations are the things that are also amazing. So if I just hover over to, there are so many beautiful invitations. Obviously, you need to do a little bit more hard work in creating these invitations, because you can see the people who are selling the invitation has done a little bit of the more hard work and they have made the particularly custom invitations only. Birthday cards are easy to make, guys. For the invitations, you need to do a little bit more work, but I think it's worth doing it. And you can take an idea. This one is a blue card having a blue flower illustration, and below that they have written this format. This one is a simple, guys. They have just the different fonts and they have made that, so you can take idea. Like, people are buying the cards according to the color. So you know, this is the terracotta, the dusty blue, the dusty rose, the purple, the burgundy and navy, black and white. So you can also create the different colors of the invitations. Like, if you wanna, I would say, I think that if you're a complete beginner, the black and white is the kind of like a color that you can go for. You can have a black background and the white text over that, or either you can have a white background and the black text, because it's easy to make rather than going for other types of colors. You need to have a different kinds of illustrations. Like, they have mostly the floral illustrations, but black and white is more simple and easy to make. So let me just scroll down, and these are the kind of the envelopes. So you can also sell the envelope, guys. There are so many things that are selling onto the Zazzle, which is pretty amazing, and take an inspiration idea. Now this one is the brown color invitation card, and they have the illustration. Let me see some simple one. All these are filled with the floral, guys. So you can start with the first of all, the birthday cards are easy to make than the invitations, because in the invitations you need to add so much. Okay, this one is a little bit more simpler, I think, but again they have used so many different fonts in that, but you can play around with the idea, guys. Things you can look for and you can target over here. This one is again simple, guys. The black and white example, you can see they have the white background and the black text. So you can just see what they have written in the content, and you can also do that. So that is the another thing. Now we will going over to the trending independent designers and see what kind of designs they have on their shop which is selling well. So this one you can see very well. They have the simple illustration. You can see here is the textures, here is the marsh, like here is other type of designs, here is the line art and colorful. So I think I'll just gonna go with this one, because it's the line art. I think line art are easy to make rather than going for a full illustration. So it's a boho elephant hat. So they have the different kinds of the illustration. Now it's particularly line art, then the patterns and textures. Now these kind of line arts are not easy to make, guys, and you need to do it by yourself. You either hire someone to do it for yourself, but it's worth trying it if you want to try it, or either way you can also try with the textures. So let me just see the different kind of products. So I'm just going to view their collection. 33 followers, Valerie, be yourself and create without fear. So you can see guys that this particular designer is trending on the ZAZZLE, and they have their own cover photo and the banner which indicate their shop. So you can also do that. Customize your shop according to it. Now I'm just going to scroll down. The small yellow flowers, so 14 items, the wolf head with ethnic decorations, the flying to space. So they have put the designs into a good collection, so you can also do it the same way guys. Now this one is the lava, so they have these type of the patterns. Like you can see the monstera leaves have been kept on the different kinds of products, and you can also see what kind of products you can keep your designs. If it's the patterns, then patterns can be applied to everything except the stickers, because square shaped stickers doesn't look that good. So this is the one way to find it guys. I hope you find this video useful. Let me know in the comment section below. If you want more Jazzle videos, I'm gonna make more, and we're gonna search more on the Jazzle and see for more amazing ideas.
So that's all for today's video guys. I hope you really find it useful, you find it enjoyable. Let me know in the comment section below guys. I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video guys, and see you the next time. Take care. Bye guys.